Good morning, boys and girls. So today we're going to focus on 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Okay, so I'm going to start off with number 2 here. It says find the product estimate to check that your answer is reasonable. Now I'm going to set this up in a few different equations, in the same equation rather, but in a few different methods I'm going to solve this. So this particular method I'm going to use is standard algorithm. You do not have to use one particular method. It is your choice what strategy, what method you're going to use. So I'm going to show you each one. Let's start with standard algorithm. What I want to do with standard algorithm is I want to take my bottom factor here and I want to distribute each place value into the top place values. So the first thing I want to do is I want to do 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Let me make sure I have my pencil. Okay, 27. I'll put a 7 down here in the ones place. I need to make sure that I regroup my 2. 9 times 6 would give me 54. Don't forget to add that 2 to your 54. That's going to be 56. Put my 6 down here. Don't forget to regroup your 5. 9 times 8. That's right, 72 plus 5, 77. Now, it is so important before we move on to the tens place here, the 1 in the tens place, that I have to hold my place value with a 0, okay? Because I'm moving on to the tens place, I have to make sure I put a 0 in this ones place. Now, I don't need these anymore. I'm going to cross those out so I don't get confused. 1 times 3. I'm going to do 1 times 3. I'm going to get 3. 1 times 6, I'm going to get 6. 1 times 8, I'm going to get 8. 8,630. Now, we're not quite done just yet. Just want to make sure you guys can see all of my work here. Now, these are called partial products because they are not the entire product. They are part of the product, so partial products. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 6 is 13. Make sure to regroup that 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16,397. Okay, make sure that I zoom out so you guys can see it enough. Okay. Now, before I move on, the question said estimate to check for reasonableness. Now, it's your choice how you want to estimate. I would simply do myself 863, really close to 900. 19 is really close to 20. 900 plus 20, if I just do 9 times 2, I get 18. I can go 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Forgive my penmanship, it's not great. And yeah, that's pretty close. Okay, so my answer is reasonable. 16,397. I'll go back and I'll prove it to you. 16,397. Let's just make sure I type that right. 397. Yep. And boom. Okay. Standard algorithm.